Welcome to the fascinating world of snail farming, where slow and steady wins the race to success. Get ready to dive into the shell-raising adventure that will leave you amazed and craving escargot. Imagine having your own snail empire, complete with tiny, slimy creatures that captivate taste buds around the globe. Snail farming, an unconventional agricultural pursuit, offers an exciting opportunity to turn a seemingly humble creature into a thriving business. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Snail farming, also known as heliciculture, is a process of raising and breeding snails for commercial purposes. It is an agricultural practice that has gained popularity due to the increasing demand for snail meat and other snail products in various cuisines worldwide. Snail farming is considered a profitable venture with relatively low startup costs and minimal land requirements, making it suitable for both rural and urban settings. Here are some key points to consider when starting a snail farming business. 1. Snail species. Choose the appropriate snail species for your farming venture. Common edible snail species include the Helix aspersa, also known as the common garden snail or brown garden snail, Helix pomatia, Roman snail, and Achatina species, giant African snails. 2. Farm setup. Create suitable conditions for snails by providing a controlled environment. Snails require shelter to protect them from extreme weather conditions, predators, and pests. You can use various structures like pens, cages, or specially designed snail houses with suitable substrate materials. 3. Feeding and nutrition. Snails are primarily herbivorous and feed on a wide range of plant materials. Provide a balanced diet that includes fresh vegetables, fruits, and other organic matter. Calcium-rich supplements like crushed eggshells or limestone are crucial for the snail's shell development. 4. Breeding and reproduction. Snails are hermaphrodites, meaning they possess both male and female reproductive organs. However, crossmating between two snails is required for fertilization. Provide adequate moisture and maintain suitable temperature conditions for successful breeding. 5. Management and care. Regularly monitor the snail's health, growth, and reproduction rates. Ensure proper hygiene and cleanliness in their environment to prevent diseases. Protect snails from predators and secure the farm against escape. 6. Marketing and sales. Establish marketing channels to sell your snail products. Target local markets, restaurants, hotels, and supermarkets that have a demand for snail meat. Additionally, explore value-added products such as snail slime for cosmetics or snail shells for crafts. On the other hand, China and Morocco are leading countries in global snail producing, counting 96% of global snail production. At the moment, global snail farming industry achieves sales over $12 billion annually. 7. Regulations and permits. Research and comply with local regulations regarding snail farming. Some countries or regions may have specific guidelines or permits for snail farming due to environmental concerns or potential invasive species risks. It's essential to conduct thorough market research, create a business plan, and consult with experienced snail farmers or agricultural experts to increase your chances of success in the snail farming business. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.